Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. What you see behind me is Qwest's LT818 RLS. It's 18 foot long, it's 8 foot wide. It's really compact and spacious. It's easy to trailer, and a great boat for you this summer. Why don't you come on aboard and look at all the features so we can show you what we have here. So first thing I notice here is just the overall appearance of this boat. We have the graphite package here with the firecracker base. So a really good look on the exterior, and when you get inside, this interior matches that exterior. So you do see the nice little honeycombing pad and the firecracker on the seats, all of that. You notice it is really spacious. So you can pop open the seats, safety package, the covers are in here, all those goodies that you'll need. We also have USB ports built into the seats. So if someone's looking to charge their phone here at the front of the boat, all they need to do is just plug their phone right in. It charges right off the boat battery. No big deal there at all. So that's a really nice feature of this boat. As we work ourselves a little further back, you do notice a dual captain seat area here, which no one else in the market is doing these on an 18-foot boat. So if it's just going to be, you know, two of you on a regular basis, it's a super nice way to be able to sit, have a conversation with one another. So really nice layout here. Plus a little extra seating here in the back in case you do have a day where you can fit 9 people on this boat. You can really fill it out. As you take a look in here at the helm, you do notice a 5-inch Garmin fish finder with GPS, as well as water temperature, water depth. So that's built into the dash, and we have a Clarion speaker system. That does have 4 speakers, so this boat's really going to have great sound for you. Finally, as we get to the back, you notice the built-in fuel tank, as well as their stainless steel ladder that telescopes, so very sharp look on the back, and a little bit of space back here if anyone wants to fish, hang out, anything like that. So really complete package on this boat. So with anything that Charles Mill sells, we're going to deliver this anywhere in the state of Ohio for you. Mooring cover is included, so great way to keep your boat clean and good looking. Safety package, everything you're going to need to keep it safe. And we're going to give you an on-water lesson demonstration to make sure you're comfortable using this new boat you're purchasing. So if this looks like the boat for you, give us a call, 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina. We'll see you soon.